Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive, trendy, fashionable handloom sarees collections only for you. For more collections, please visit our Kolkata showroom. So let me display today's collections. All are very fresh looks, and soft, lightweight, and same material. Today I have the premium quality, pure handloom Dupian tissue material, very soft one, silver sign all over base, soft comfortable silver zari border, contrast color pallu, very smart looks, contrast color highlighted dye pallu with stripes pattern design, smart looks, and all over base part is plain base, shiny material, soft one, and this one full base part silver zari border based for your gift purpose also, and running blouse piece contrast color and all over plain silver sign, and is this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, trendy one, same material Dupian tissue material, all over base part is plain silver zari border, smart looks, all over base plain base, contrast color highlighted, pallu dye pallu with silver zari stripes, smart one, lightweight, comfortable, all over base silver sign, silver zari border, running blouse piece, and is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your smart and trendy looks. And next one also nice color combinations, beautiful color, dual set, very trendy look, silver zari border, main base part is pink base with silver sign, contrast color, pallu dye pallu with highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and all over base plain base silver border, smart looks, and running blouse piece contrast color, and it is the silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable smart looks. And next one also nice color combination, same material different color only, tissue Dupian tissue material, soft shiny looks, silver zari border, trendy one, all over base plain base, contrast color, dye pallu with highlighted stripes pattern, silver zari stripes pattern pallu, smart looks, grey shade, silver sign, silver zari border, running blouse piece contrast color, and is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And this one fresh color combinations, very soft, comfortable, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom Dupian tissue material, silver zari border, contrast color, dye pallu with highlighted silver zari stripes, smart looks, all over base plain base silver border, running blouse piece contrast color, and is the silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And next one also nice color combinations, all over kota checks, and main base part is organza, semi organza material, but soft one, very soft, easy drapable semi organza, all over weaving kota checks. This one full base part, very soft, comfortable, easy drapable, border portions highlighted, fine weaving stripes border, pallu also very smart looks, highlighted stripes pattern pallu with checks and stripes pattern pallu design, smart one, soft one, lightweight, all over base kota checks, highlighted border, all over base, very smart one. This one is running blouse piece, and it will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fashionable looks. Nice color combination, soft one, premium quality, pure handloom soft silk material, and highlighted contrast golden border and leheria pattern weaving design work, full border portions, smart trendy looks, and border portions contrast zari border, and all over border portions fine weaving design, leheria weaving design work border, all over plain base contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and very soft one, light lightweight, best for your gift purpose, daily wear also. And this one, border portions highlighted, fully leheria pattern weaving border, running blouse piece and all over base, plain base. And I feature this silk material, fully diagonally weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And next one also nice color combinations, pure handloom material, khadi cotton silk material, contrast color, ikat border and beautiful bright color combinations. Middle portion is bright yellow shade, contrast ikat highlighted border and full border portions, fine temple pattern weaving design work border, contrast color pallu with stripes and buta design, hand weaving buta work pallu, bright fresh looks and all over base plain with ikat contrast border and running blouse piece contrast color. And this cotton fabric fully weaving stripes work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. This one very beautiful one, soft one, fully feather like soft premium quality pure handloom chanderi silk material and all over threaded weaving brocade heavy work all over base and border portions fully fine zeri weaving leheria pattern design work border, hand weaving work highlighted 1-inch border and all over base fully contrast color threaded weaving design work brocade work all over base fully weaving work and hand weaving and pallu portions fully contrast pink base with highlighted zari stripes pallu, plain pallu and all over brocade work, very fresh and smart looks and beautiful soft quality running blouse piece also brocade work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. And next one also silk lion base Banarasi border all over Sivori printed one, beautiful smart looks all over base, Badhini Sivori buta printed traditional Banarasi border and pallu portion Sivori printed highlighted pallu, golden and silver zari stripes with Sivori printed pallu all over, Badhini buta printed one with traditional Banarasi border, grayish shade, grayish black shade and running blouse piece also Sivori printed. And I suggest this silk material embroidery Gujarati pattern embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. Nice color combinations, premium quality pure handloom silk lion with traditional Banarasi weaving border design all over Sivori printed one with highlighted weaving buta work, very fresh looks all over base Sivori printed one, fully zari weaving traditional Banarasi border all over fresh weaving buta design, very smart looks and pallu portions golden and silver zari contrast stripes with all over Sivori printed one, smart looks. And this one full base part all over base traditional border premium quality pure handloom silk lion running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material fully mirror embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright looks. And next one pure khadi base based for your Durga Puja wear also traditional looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton contrast color border and all over fine threaded weaving design work all over base weaving work and contrast color red and grey black grey border and all over fine weaving design work, fully weaving work, handloom khadi cotton all over same stripes design work, soft one, smart looks, traditional looks, running blouse piece also same. And if we suggest this cotton fabric fully weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And next one also nice and fresh color combinations, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material all over sequin stripes design with highlighted sequin stripes all over base and pallu jamdani work, let me display, and all over sequin design, running blouse piece plain, pallu portions beautiful fine silver zari weaving jamdani design work, pallu very soft one, lightweight fresh looks all over base sequin stripes with highlighted traditional looks. And this is silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your smart looks. Nice and fresh color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom, soft chanderi silk, feather like soft, and all over heavy work, threaded weaving brocade work all over base, bright color combination, soft one, summer wear, pure handloom, and border portions fully golden zari weaving leheria pattern design work, border all over brocade pattern design work all over base, heavy work, hand weaving work, soft one, and pallu portions plain base, highlighted zari stripes pallu, and all over same highlighted brocade work. Very smart looks, running blouse piece, and this is organza base weaving butter work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your trendy and smart looks. And next one also same material, same pattern, purple shade, bright purple shade, same weaving leheria weaving border all over brocade threaded work, very smart trendy looks, very soft one, fully feather like soft, and border portions highlighted golden zari leheria pattern weaving design border all over brocade work, threaded work, pallu plain pallu, highlighted zari stripes, and this one full base but very smart and trendy looks, running blouse piece also brocade work, and this silk material, heavy embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your smart and fresh looks. And next one, same material, same pattern, different color combinations, highlighted zari weaving leheria pattern border all over threaded work, brocade work, chanderi silk material, pure handloom, fully feather like soft material, very smart one, zari border, golden zari border all over threaded weaving brocade work all over base, soft summer wear, nice and elegant color combinations, running blouse piece, and pallu portions plain base with highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and all over plain base, and this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your bright looks. And next one also cotton silk material, beautiful color combinations with heavy weaving design work, pure handloom, red contrast border all over zari weaving design work, weaving work all over base, pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part all over heavy worked all over base, running blouse piece plain, and this silk material, fully mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, handloom cotton silk material all over sequin stripes and bright black shade, handloom cotton silk all over sequin stripes, bright one, based for your festive wear gift purpose, running blouse piece, and pallu portions fully silver zari weaving traditional jamdani design work pallu all over sequin stripes, and this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your fresh and bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, bright red shade, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk material all over sequin stripes design, smart looks all over base sequin stripes, bright red shade, running blouse piece plain, this one is running blouse piece, and pallu portions fully silver zari weaving heavy work pallu, fully silver zari weaving traditional jamdani design work pallu, and this silk material, fully mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your fresh and bright looks. Nice color combinations, bright green shade, handloom cotton silk material, contrast color, red border all over zari weaving design work all over base, bright looks, highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu all over heavy jamdani work, zari weaving design work, handloom cotton silk material, bright color, running blouse piece, and this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with the saree for your trendy and smart bright looks. And next one also, khadi base, very nice color combinations, beautiful one, pure khadi premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, contrast color border and full border portions, fine checks pattern, ikat checks pattern design, fully temple pattern weaving design work, border all over, hand weaving butta design, pure khadi base, soft one, all over base, running blouse piece, and pallu portions, a beautiful weaving heavy jamdani design work pallu. One portion is red border, one portion is black border, and pallu portions gray shade base with hand weaving jamdani design work, and all over this very beautiful and smart looks. And such as this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and trendy looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website link is www.ricefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description part. And today I have a beautiful saree, Dupian tissue material, very soft, comfortable, and silver zari border all over, silver sign, smart looks, and very soft one. Contrast color dye pallu with highlighted silver zari stripes. Very smart, trendy looks, beautiful saree and designer blouse. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.